Okay, everybody. I'm hoping that this is coming across and I'm live. Okay, sorry about that start. Looks like we're live. Yesterday was the first day of class and we did a live stream at 9 a.m. I know that the first week of class is going to be a little bit confusing as you get used to seeing as you get used to how each of your classes are going to run. My idea for this class was that it could be taken completely asynchronously. And what that means is that you can do the whole thing just according to how it works for your schedule. You don't have to attend the live streams. For this first week, I wanted us to have a chance to have that interaction where I do a live stream and you can join in and you can go ahead and put your questions in the chat and I can answer them on the video. I got some feedback yesterday from students. It sounds like most of you have asynchronous classes. So what we can do is we can, decide if this attending the live streams is something that that you enjoy, that you like, or if it's sort of something that's just easier to do on your own time, then we can change the class to being completely asynchronous. So that might be, it would certainly be easier for me, but it just depends. I think what I'll do is I'll send out a survey and ask you guys questions. What I really want is I want you guys to be happy with the class, and I want this class to function the way that it can function best for the majority of the people involved. The idea for the live chat was just so that we could have that interaction that we're probably going to be missing, that kind of fun thing that happens in the classroom. Okay, that said, it looks like most of you watched the video yesterday. And so the purpose of me getting on today was really just to catch anyone who might want to watch the stream that wasn't able to watch it yesterday. But it looks like most of you watched it asynchronously. So, that being said, this is going to be a pretty short video. So far, I don't think we have anyone on. So if you are on, go ahead and put something into the chat here. I'm going to say hello in the chat. And what we're going to do is, one of the things that we had decided yesterday in the chat, or that was a really good suggestion from a student, is that on the iCollege page, you have, when you first click on our class, there's a section that says announcements. And I think that what I'll do in the announcements, I don't want to, completely overrun the announcements with announcements, but what I think might be a good idea is to use that space for me to create a weekly checklist for you all. And I can even see if I can hyperlink things in there so that what you would do, when you're ready to work on my class, is that you could go to, as soon as you click on our iCollege page, you'll get the announcements. And in the announcements, I'll have a checklist of things that you need to be doing that week. It'll be videos to watch, if there's a PowerPoint, and as always, Module 1 folder, whatever module we're on, you need to complete all the things in that folder. Okay, so that is just about all that I have. For the next live stream, we're going to talk about sighting and measuring. I have this bottle. Here, let me hold it up here. This is a wine bottle, and this is what I'm going to be using to start to talk about sighting and measuring. I use a wine bottle because it's got a pretty nice proportion that's really easy to explain. And so what I want you to do to tune in next time, if you haven't yet, I did deliver the supply starter kit to school yesterday. And so it is available for you to pick up today through Thursday, any day of the week, Tuesday, Wednesday, or Thursday from 11 to 4. Jen will be there and she will be passing out supplies. And in it is going to be this bamboo skewer. And the bamboo skewer is what we're going to be using to sight and measure with. If for some reason you want to go ahead and start and you haven't been able to get your bamboo skewer, you can also sight and measure with anything long and skinny. A pencil will do. Anything that you can, that is basically this shape. So next live stream we will be drawing this bottle through sighting and measuring. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to get to work on the announcements page, and I'm going to put everything that you need to be doing probably for this week and into next week. So I'll do that. Before I go, does anyone have, I can't tell if anyone is watching, are there any questions or comments before I go? All right, so just remember, so far this week, I want you to pick up those supplies or buy your supplies. Have your supplies ready. You're probably going to want to watch the, explore the iCollege page, go to the Module 1 folder, and watch the sighting and measuring video. Hey, Mary, what's up? Good to see you. If you haven't watched, Mary, I'm assuming you've watched the other videos, but if you haven't, you might want to go ahead and watch those. And so get together for next live stream, which will be tomorrow at 9. Get together your supplies and your wine bottle. If you haven't had a chance to get your supplies, show up with some paper and any kind of pencil. You can get by this week just by learning to sight and measure. All right, so I know this has not been a thrilling video, but this was really just a recap of yesterday's video and a chance for anyone to ask any questions they may have. All right, so I will be updating that announcement page and sending you an email so that you know exactly what's going on. And as of now, what you're doing is you're getting your supplies, you're reviewing the iCollege page, you're making sure you've watched all the videos, and then we're going to get started on drawing tomorrow. Okay, see you later. Bye, Mary.